NWS Radio, good morning. It is time now for our weather forecast with meteorologist Chris Sramek. Good morning, Chris.
Good morning. After 3 days of scorching hot weather, it got in the hundreds. We did have a frontal boundary that kind of came through later in the afternoon, evening, and popped up some isolated thunderstorms that just slowly moved off to the northeast and just trained on themselves. If you got under one of those cells out there in southwestern Cheyenne County or northeastern Cheyenne County, the Benkelman area, northwestern Rollins County, off to our east around Hoxie all the way to Phillipsburg, those areas saw 1 to 3 inches of rainfall. And then the storms outflows around that, like in Highway 36 into the north, out there along the Colorado border, and off to the north and east of Oberlin, Hoxie, and Norton. We saw anywhere from a half inch to an inch, and then everybody in between there got about 10 points all the way up to 40 points. So we saw widespread rain. If you got caught under one of those cells, you definitely had some downpours. We expected another repeat of that this afternoon. Storms will come out of Colorado scattered like that when they start, but when they get to the Kansas-Nebraska line, somewhere around 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock this evening, they're going to be an organized line and move through northwest Kansas and southwest Nebraska. Again, there's a marginal threat of large hail, wind gusts to 60 miles per hour, but it does look like heavy rainfall is a good potential across all the area again tonight. Temperature-wise, we'll top out around 95 this afternoon. We're starting out this morning with 69 being reported in Burlington, Goodland, 72 in McCook and Colby. We got fog also being reported, and it's dense in that location there around McCook and Oberlin. That's due to all the moisture in the air. When those skies clear out midday this afternoon, it's going to remain muggy. We'll have an east-southeasterly wind at around 5 to 10 miles per hour, pumping in moisture ahead of that disturbance this evening. As we get to tomorrow, we'll see another chance for the late afternoon, evening thunderstorms. High temperatures again in those lower 90s to mid-90s, pretty comfortable for this time of year. Overnight lows will be in the mid-60s. We got a chance for the afternoon, evening storms once again, and then we start drying out on Thursday. We'll see temperatures climb back up into the mid-90s, heading towards the upper 90s, middle 90s, and lows in the upper 60s for Friday. And then the weekend looks like it'll be hot and dry with high temperatures in the middle to upper 90s, maybe hitting 100 there on Sunday.
Thanks for that update, Chris. For the latest weather forecast and severe weather updates, make sure to stay with your favorite NWKS radio station.